Good afternoon. I'm Kaulen. This is PHS Afternoon News Today for Wednesday, September 11th. Students, please check your email this morning to make your service day selections for the October 10th event. Students who do not select projects will have projects chosen for them. The French Scenic Railway is holding auditions for the Polar Express. You must be 13 years old to be considered for a role. Girls varsity golf will be playing at Springs Valley starting 4:30. Kickball intramural sign-up forms have been sent out to your email. Get your team together, sign up as an individual or a place on a team. Sign up will end September 27th and games will be on October 2nd. I'm Colin and that's your afternoon news. Have a fantastic day.